There is a category of skincare that sits between drugstore and luxury that most women have never been told about. It is called pharmacy skincare. It is not sold at beauty counters. It is not sold by consultants with sample kits. It is sold by pharmacists in the same aisle as the prescription pickup window, and it was built around one standard. Does it work well enough for a dermatologist to recommend it? These 10 products are in that category. They are at CVS. Most of them cost under $40. And most of the luxury brands charging $300 for the same problems have never had to meet the standard these products were built around. 10 products. Starting with number 10. Number 10. Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Facial Moisturizer SPF 30, around $18. Before any ingredient conversation, there is a track record worth understanding. Aveeno has been recommended by dermatologists for dry and sensitive skin for decades, not because the brand spent money on sponsorships, but because the colloidal oat formulas consistently showed up in the clinical literature and dermatologists began recommending them by name. That recommendation has held across generations of patients and practitioners. The SPF 30 in this formula means that for a woman who has simplified her morning routine to one step, Aveeno handles moisture and sun protection simultaneously. Estee Lauder Daywear Multi-Protection Antioxidant Serum Cream SPF 50 retails for $60. It contains SPF 50, genuinely higher, alongside antioxidants and the Estee Lauder Prestige positioning. What it does not have is the 40-year dermatological track record that Aveeno built through clinical recommendation rather than counter placement. $42 separates them. The SPF difference is real. The formula confidence behind the cheaper one is a different kind of real. Number 9. Vichy Mineral 89 Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. Around $28. French pharmacy skincare operates on a different philosophy than American prestige skincare. It was built around dermatologists, not beauty editors. The tradition is clinical first, sensory second, formulas tested in hospitals and recommended by dermatologists before they reach the shelf. Vichy is part of that tradition. Mineral 89 is built on 89% Vichy volcanic thermal spring water alongside hyaluronic acid. The name refers to the mineral water concentration. It is fragrance-free, suitable for sensitive skin, and has accumulated a following among French dermatologists that predates the word serum, becoming a beauty buzzword. In France, the first place a woman with a skin concern visits is often the pharmacist. Not a beauty counter, not a dermatologist, but a trained pharmacist who knows the skincare lines stocked behind the counter and which ones have dermatological backing. That culture produced a category of skincare that is separate from both drugstore and prestige, pharmacy skincare, formulated for clinical standards, sold by people trained in their ingredients. Vichy is part of that tradition. Mineral 89 has been recommended in French pharmacies since before serum became a word American beauty brands put on every product they launched. Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream retails for $100. The formula contains hyaluronic acid, rose hipseed oil, peptides, and what the brand describes as its Magic 8 complex. It is a genuinely good moisturizer built around the idea that a single product should do everything. Vichy Mineral 89 is not trying to do everything. It is doing one thing, hydrating the skin with mineral water and hyaluronic acid with the clinical precision that French pharmacy brands have spent decades refining. $72 separates them. The French pharmacy approach was never about magic. It was about mechanism. Number 8. Vichy Lift Active Retinol HA Serum, around $35. L'Oréal Group is one of the largest cosmetics companies in the world. Their brand portfolio includes Vichy, which sells through pharmacies and positions itself around clinical dermatological research. It also includes SkinCeuticals, which sells through dermatology clinics and medical spas. SkinCeuticals Retinol 0.5 retails for $104. Both brands operate within the same research organization. Both develop formulas around retinol as a documented anti-aging active. One ends up in the pharmacy for $35. The other ends up in the dermatology office for $104. The Vichy Lift Active Retinol formula contains pure retinol alongside hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, specifically designed to reduce the dryness that retinol causes on mature skin. Fragrance-free. Built for tolerance. The ingredient science behind it comes from the same research infrastructure as the product selling for $69 more. Same corporation. Different shelf. Number 7. La Roche-Posay Mela B3 Dark Spot Serum. Around $35. After $50, the dark spots on the face, hands, and chest are not simply cosmetic. They are the visible record of decades of UV exposure, the accumulated result of sun damage that occurred years or decades before the spot appeared on the surface. Most dark spot products address the symptom. They lighten the skin surface, sometimes temporarily, through ingredients that inhibit melanin at the point of production. Melasil works differently. It interrupts the transfer of melanin from the cells that produce it to the cells that display it, targeting the mechanism that makes pigmentation visible rather than simply bleaching what is already there. Women who have used brightening products for years often describe the same frustration. The spot fades slightly during treatment and returns when the product is stopped. This is not a failure of the product. It is a failure to address the mechanism. Most brightening products work at the production stage. They slow how much melanin is made. But the melanin that was already produced, already transferred to surface cells, already distributed across the skin, that is not addressed. The spot lightens at the edges. The center holds. The cycle repeats. La Roche-Posay developed Melasil over 18 years of proprietary research. It holds multiple patents on the ingredient and the delivery mechanism. The serum pairs Melasil with 10% niacinamide, which addresses pigmentation through a complementary pathway. SkinCeuticals Discoloration Defense is priced at $105. It contains tranexamic acid, niacinamide, and kojic acid, all effective ingredients for hyperpigmentation, none of them patented by the brand. La Roche-Posay spent 18 years developing something that other products cannot replicate. It retails for $35. Number 6. La Roche-Posay Anthelios Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50. Around $38. Two sunscreens arrived at Dermatological Trust through entirely different paths. Elta MD UV Clear became the sunscreen dermatology offices stock and recommend. It earned its position through clinical skincare positioning, niacinamide content, and a formula that works on post-procedure skin. It retails for around $45 and carries the credibility of the medical setting where women first encounter it. La Roche-Posay Anthelios took a different path. It is widely recognized as one of the most recommended sunscreen brands by dermatologists in Europe, where sun protection is positioned as a clinical intervention rather than a cosmetic afterthought. The Anthelios mineral formula is fragrance-free, tested on sensitive and reactive skin, and carries the backing of French pharmacy dermatology, a tradition built around proving efficacy before shelf placement rather than after. Two routes to the same dermatological trust, one found through the clinic, the other through the pharmacy. The one from the pharmacy costs $7 less. No sponsorships. No brand deals. The second half of the list. Number 5. Eucerin Roughness Relief Cream. Around $14. There is a specific conversation that happens in dermatology appointments when a patient describes skin that has become rough, crepey, and unresponsive to standard moisturizers. The dermatologist reaches for urea. Not as a recent discovery, urea has been used in dermatology for over 100 years to address the kind of severe dryness that standard moisturizers cannot correct. It works by dissolving the protein bonds between dead surface skin cells, allowing them to shed and permitting moisture to penetrate the skin rather than sitting on top of it. Eucerin Roughness Relief Cream contains urea at a meaningful concentration alongside lactic acid, which adds a second mechanism for cell renewal. The formula addresses the rough, thickened texture that develops on arms, legs, and the neck with age, skin that has thickened and roughened to the point where standard moisturizers sit on the surface without penetrating. And that responds poorly to any product that only adds moisture without addressing the layer of dead cells that blocks it. Nesoshare the body serum retails for $45 and contains alpha hydroxy acids, vitamins, and a positioning around elevated body care. Eucerin Roughness Relief contains a higher urea concentration, has been in dermatological use for decades, and costs $14. The formula that works in the clinic is not the one with the better packaging. Number 4. Bioderma Sensibio H2O Micellar Water. Around $15. After cosmetic procedures, after laser resurfacing, after chemical peels, after microneedling, the skin needs to be cleaned without anything that could irritate tissue that is already compromised. French dermatologists reaching for a cleanser in this situation have been reaching for Bioderma Sensibio H2O for decades. The micellar technology lifts away impurities through attraction rather than surfactant action. No lathering, no rubbing, no disruption to skin that cannot tolerate disruption. It is fragrance-free, tested on sensitive skin, and developed by a brand whose entire identity is built around dermatological sensitivity rather than beauty aspiration. La Mer the Cleansing Micellar Water retails for $90. It contains the Miracle Broth, La Mer's signature fermented sea kelp blend, and micellar cleansing technology that removes makeup and impurities gently. The formula is effective. The Miracle Broth adds the La Mer story. What it does not add is the dermatological post-procedure trust that Bioderma built through clinical use before it ever became a beauty recommendation. $75 separates them. The one dermatologists reach for in their offices costs $15. Number 3. La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5. Around $15. Dermatology offices stock certain products not because they are new, not because a representative presented them persuasively, but because they work consistently on the most compromised skin. La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B5 is that product for barrier repair. After laser resurfacing, after biopsies, after any procedure that leaves the skin raw and vulnerable. The formula contains panthenol, vitamin B5, at a meaningful concentration alongside madecassoside from Centella asiatica, shea butter, and zinc. It was specifically developed to repair damaged skin barriers and soothe inflammation without introducing any ingredient that could interfere with healing. In dermatology practices, the products that end up on the shelf are not there because a sales representative was persuasive. They are there because a nurse or a physician tried them on real patients and found that they worked. Post-procedure patients are the most demanding test case in skincare. Their barriers are intentionally disrupted, their skin is raw and reactive, and anything that causes irritation becomes immediately apparent. Cicaplast Balm B5 is on those shelves because it passed that test repeatedly, in real clinical settings, on real patients who could not tolerate a mistake. Dr. Barbara Sturm Calming Serum is priced at $285. The formula is designed around anti-inflammatory ingredients for reactive and damaged skin, the same clinical problems Cicaplast was built for. Dr. Sturm's positioning is medical-grade luxury, a former orthopedic surgeon who developed skincare around her clinical philosophy. The brand carries genuine credibility, and the formula reflects real ingredient science. The difference is that Cicaplast has been in dermatology offices for decades, tested on post-procedure patients in clinical settings, and refined around the specific demands of skin that has been deliberately damaged by a professional in order to heal better. It costs $15. Dr. Barbara Sturm's version of the same clinical philosophy costs $270 more. Number 2. Olay Vitamin C plus Peptide 24 Brightening Serum. Around $30. After 50, the face that looked bright at 30 has changed in ways that are not simply about wrinkles. Skin tone becomes uneven. The natural luminosity that comes from rapid cell turnover slows as the skin renews itself more slowly. Dark spots accumulate. The face reads as dull even on days when it feels fine. Vitamin C addresses this directly, not as a luxury ingredient. but as a well-documented antioxidant that brightens skin tone by neutralizing the oxidative damage that creates uneven pigmentation, supports collagen synthesis, and defends against the UV damage that accelerates the dullness of aging. Vitamin C at meaningful concentration requires daily use, not occasional use, not careful use when you remember. Daily use, morning, applied generously to the face, neck, and hands, the surface is actually receiving UV exposure. This is how the clinical evidence was generated. Women who experience the best results from vitamin C serums are the ones who use them every day without thinking about cost per drop. At $182, the psychology of cost changes how a product gets used. At $30, it does not. SkinCeuticals Cefurulic is priced at $182. It is the most referenced vitamin C serum in dermatology, 15% L-ascorbic acid, stabilized with vitamin E and ferulic acid, recommended by board-certified dermatologists by name. The formula earns its reputation. Olay Vitamin C plus Peptide 24 contains stabilized vitamin C, niacinamide, and a peptide complex targeting the additional concern of firmness. It does not carry the clinical citation history of SkinCeuticals. It does contain meaningful vitamin C alongside actives that SkinCeuticals does not include. $152 separates them. Olay has spent decades formulating vitamin C for a mass market consumer who uses it every day without worrying about cost per drop. Number 1. Eucerin Anti-Pigment Spot Corrector Serum. Around $22. Pigmentation is one of the most consistent complaints from women over 50 and one of the least well-served by the products sold to address it. Age spots, sunspots, uneven skin tone, the darkening that accumulates around the eyes and on the hands and chest. Most of the products marketed for this problem work through the same mechanism. They inhibit tyrosinase, the enzyme responsible for melanin production. Hydroquinone does this. Kojic acid does this. Many niacinamide-based brightening products work here as well. They address pigmentation at the point of production. The problem is that melanin is not only produced, it is also transferred. Melanocytes produce melanin and transfer it to surrounding skin cells, where it becomes visible. Inhibiting production addresses half the mechanism. The accumulation of existing melanin in surface cells continues regardless. For women with persistent pigmentation that lightening products have not fully resolved, this is often why the production was slowed, but the transfer was not. Thiamidol interrupts the transfer mechanism. It is a patented compound developed by Beiersdorf after years of research specifically targeting the tyrosinase inhibition pathway at a point earlier in the process than most available ingredients reach. The mechanism is different from hydroquinone, different from kojic acid, different from the vitamin C pathway. A 12-week clinical study showed a 79% reduction in pigmentation among participants. The findings were published in the Journal of Drugs in Dermatology in December 2025. A global dermatology consensus published the same month named Thiamidol a first-line treatment for hyperpigmentation, peer-reviewed, not on a brand website, in a journal. S.K. 2 Genoptix Spot Essence retails for $230. The formula contains Pitera, SK. 2's signature fermented ingredient, alongside niacinamide and vitamin C derivatives. Pitera has genuine clinical research behind it. The brand has documented real benefits over decades of use. SK. 2 is not a fraud. It is a genuinely good product sold at a price that reflects the brand's positioning in the luxury skincare market and the research investment behind Pitera. What it does not contain is a patented pigmentation mechanism validated in peer-reviewed dermatology literature in 2025. What it costs is $208 more than the product that does. Eucerin Anti-Pigment Spot Corrector Serum, $22. At CVS peer-reviewed. Patented, backed by a global dermatology consensus published in 2025. $208 less than SK. 2. The question is not whether Thiamidol works. The question is why it took this long for anyone to tell you it was at the pharmacy. Drop in the comments, Which of these are you already using? And which one surprised you most?